you ain't country like me. Hey, I'm a redneck, you see. Hey, now put your boots on.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Feeling a little bit better. So my dirt bike isn't running right now. I don't know why. I'm about to go out here and figure out what it is. I gotta get the damn keys. A lot of y'all has been asking for more content, wanting some really cool videos and stuff. So we're gonna go out here and figure out what's wrong with my dang dirt bike. I don't know what the hell it is. Y'all want more content like this, just let me know down in the comments. We gotta get some more subs, bruh. I mean, seriously. It's been going pretty well out here. Nothing too fancy going on. Been having a lot of fun. All that shit. Alright, this bad boy, I've raced it at McClarty already. It went well. Can't get this thing going again. I don't know what's going on. I messed up the brakes at the track. Back brakes don't work. I lost the front brake. Well, actually, I broke the clutch when I fell on the track, and I set the brake up here and put it over there so I could still drive it some. But tore off the dang fender. Like, what the hell? This thing came off. I had to put it back on there with some screws and a zip tie, but I have not been able to get this thing running. I don't know what it is, but I cannot figure this shit out. Like, I don't know what it is at all. Turn the gas on. If it starts in one try after trying to get it going like last time, I'm gonna be mad. Make sure gotta make sure it ain't in gear. Alright, got it neutral. Whoa! I ain't got a front brake, so I can't really hold it still. Come on! Kick it, son, kick it. Damn. Oh yeah, and the front thing just went out. Hold on, let me turn this dang light on. It's dark in here. Can't see nothing. Okay, I cannot figure out why this ain't working. Let me try choking it. I don't know what it is. It's full on gas. Come on. Good Lord. I don't know. Can't figure this shit out. We're gonna have to take this out, take the spark plug out, and figure out what's going on. I don't know why this shit's being a dick, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna come over here, try to find something to fit it. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's gonna work or not. We recently had to change the spark plugs on that thing. I'm hoping this is all it is. Yep, she fits. Oh well, see if I can do this with one hand while I'm trying to record this. Okay. Daggone. Loosen up a little bit. Alright. She feels loose. Like, it's not even in there. I just turned it easy. Okay, let's see if we can pull this out by hand. Usually, I can. I don't even know if this thing's ever been changed. Oh, dear Lord. That is... What kind of spark plug is this? E3. What? These are the new ones, like... What? Okay, we're gonna try to clean this with some brake cleaner. I've seen where you could do that. We're gonna clean this. I mean, cleaning it ain't really gonna do nothing, but I saw it on YouTube and I'm gonna try it. See what it'll do. Hell yeah. I don't think it's even supposed to be wet. I saw this on YouTube, so I'm gonna try it. Gonna dry it off a little bit. Clean it just a little, not much. I'm gonna try it. I seen it on YouTube. It said it would spark better if it has some brake cleaner on it. So we're gonna try this. I don't even know why there's an E3 spark plug in this thing. It's only supposed to have a regular one, like just one with one little thing on it, not two. These old dirt bikes, you can't do them that way. It's leaking gas, son. I should have turned the damn gas off. Alright, we're gonna get her up in there. Now, where did I put the dang tools? Dadgummit, I left it over here. Why did I leave you all the way over here, man? Really, man? Really? Alright, gonna reverse this. Tighten it back in there. We should have tested it. I don't know why I didn't do that, but we're gonna do this first. If I don't work, I'm gonna see if it'll spark or not. We're gonna try, see if that actually worked. I'm gonna see if this is a scam or not. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna try this. If it starts after cleaning it like that, I'm gonna be like, whoa. Come on, baby. Bro, that seriously worked. I didn't even check it or nothing, and it's running right now like there was nothing wrong with it. A while ago, I couldn't even get the damn thing started. Like, what? What? So brake cleaner actually helps it spark better. Whoa! Holy fuck! Did you see that? Damn! I've just seen a fucking flame out of that bitch. Man, you flaming up, son! I cannot believe that hack actually worked. I cannot believe it. Dude. I am like... what? I don't even know. This thing hasn't ran in over 3 weeks. Like, what the heck? Or maybe less. I don't know, but... no, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, I tried, after I got it home from my clarity, it wouldn't run again. Well, at least I know that worked. I'm happy. I'm happy. I might do some videos in that thing. I don't know yet. I know we are on that thing. We're going to do some videos on that thing. So, I'm excited. We're going to lock this up. Whoa! Oh! 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 I did not mean that. I literally knocked over the freaking two-stroke oil. It's for our weed eaters. Don't worry. I ain't got a daggone two-stroke dirt bike. We're gonna lock this thing up. And guys, I'm probably about to get my car here soon. Probably Friday. I hope so. And I'm gonna do a video on getting it out of the shop. Stuff like that. And I'm excited. I can't wait to get it back, but we're gonna have some fun in that thing. We're gonna fix it up. Probably gonna do a cleanup video. I ain't real sure yet, but we're gonna figure something out. I don't know, but and Mom wants to keep this phone again. I don't know why. So I'll just have to start using my GoPro again. It's gonna be fun. I hate recording with a GoPro because, I mean, I like it. I'll do it with some things. It has good quality, but I like using my iPhone better because I can edit the videos right off of it and upload it with my phone. So, yeah. But, I still cannot believe that actually worked. I cannot believe it. I've had a long day at work. I just got a job cleaning up cars, vacuuming them, and washing the outside, washing the well, not washing the inside, but basically cleaning them up to make them look brand new. So I got that job, changing oil and all that stuff. So I'm excited about that. I'm really happy about it. But to be honest, I don't know what else to record right now. Right now, this is gonna be it. I don't know what else to record, but sorry, I'm addicted to Monster Energy. Whew. We're gonna have some fun here in the future. We're gonna go get my car. That'll be the next video, and I'll see y'all then. So be safe and peace out.